Most people hear £500 a day online and immediately think scam. And honestly, that reaction makes sense. But here's the truth nobody tells you: £500 daily online is not magic. It's not one click, and it's not passive on day one. It's the result of systems, leverage, and distribution. In this video, I'll break down exactly how people will realistically make £500 per day online in 2026, even without a big following, without showing their face, and without quitting their job immediately. No hype, just logic. Let's start with something important. £500 per day is £15,000 per month. That does not come from one source. It comes from stacking high-leverage income streams that compound. And in 2026, there are three models doing most of the heavy lifting. Model 1, high-ticket digital services, fastest path. If you want speed, this is it. High-ticket digital services mean offering done-for-you solutions to businesses that already have money. You are not selling to broke people. You are solving expensive problems. Examples: short-form video editing for brands, AI automation for small businesses, funnel setup, email marketing setup, content repurposing, appointment setting. Here's the math. One client paying £2,500 per month, divided by 30 days equals over £80 per day. Just 6 clients puts you above £500 daily. And no, you don't need to be an expert. In 2026, expertise is less valuable than execution. You can use AI tools, templates, SOPs, outsourcing. Your real job is client acquisition, not perfection. Most people fail here because they're trying to be invisible. But faceless doesn't mean silent. It means clear messaging, cold outreach, and proof of concept. Model 2, affiliate plus content systems, scalable. This is where faceless YouTube shines. Affiliate marketing in 2026 is no longer about links everywhere. It's about content funnels. Here's how it works. You create YouTube videos, shorts, Pinterest pins, blog posts, all pointing to software tools, AI platforms, courses, subscriptions. One video doesn't need to go viral. It just needs to rank. Example math: if you earn £50 commission per sale, you need 10 sales per day. That's it. 10 people making a decision they were already looking for. Faceless channels win here because no personal brand pressure, easy automation, evergreen traffic, content works while you sleep. Most people quit because they want money before momentum. But momentum always comes first. Model 3, digital products plus AI leverage, most underrated. This is where 2026 changes the game. Digital products are no longer just ebooks. They are AI templates, prompt packs, Notion systems, planners, mini courses, automated tools. You create once, you sell infinitely. Let's be realistic. If your product sells for £25, you need 20 sales per day. That's not hard when AI handles customer service, content handles traffic, platforms handle payments. The key mistake people make is trying to sell to everyone. You don't need everyone. You need a specific problem, clearly explained. How people actually fail. Let's be honest. People don't fail because online money doesn't work. They fail because they jump models every week. They want perfect before published. They chase trends, not systems. They want income without discomfort. £500 per day requires structure, not motivation. Consistency beats intelligence every time. What I would do if I was starting in 2026. If I was starting from zero today, this is the order. First, I'd learn one high-income digital skill. Second, I'd build one faceless content channel supporting it. Third, I'd add affiliate links and a simple digital product. Not 10 things, not shortcuts. One system, stacked properly. That's how people quietly cross £500 per day. Not overnight, but sustainably. If you want more of this type of content, then please let me know what you would like me to teach next in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.